Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Resman Bhatt and I am teaching chemistry at IRFA Coaching Institute. Dear viewers, due to unprecedented coronavirus, government has ordered the suspension of classwork in all the institutes of Kashmir Valley. So we have taken an initiative to deliver video lectures for the students of IRFA Coaching Institute. So these video lectures will benefit not only the students of IRFA Coaching Institute but also those students who will be interested in watching these lectures. So as I'm teaching at IRFA Coaching Institute, so my topic is regarding electrochemistry, and in the electrochemistry we have almost finished 70% of the unit, and now only two topics are remaining. One is cells, and the last topic is corrosion. So dear students, let us discuss about today's topic, that is commercial cells. So today's topic is commercial cells. So my dear students, commercial cells, as the term indicates, these are those cells which can be used for commercial purposes. So these commercial cells, they are of three types. We have first type, that is primary cells. We have second type, that is secondary cells. And we have third type, it's not tertiary but it is fuel cells. In case of primary cells, the two common examples are, that is dry cell and mercury cell. And in case of secondary cells, we have also different examples, but the two most common are, we have lead storage cell and the another is nickel cadmium cell. And in case of fuel cells, the most common example is, that is hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. Hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. Now let's discuss about first type of cells, that is primary cells. So first type of cells are primary cells. So these are those cells in which cell reaction cannot be reversed by applying external electric source, so they become dead after use. So primary cells are the cells, these are the cells in which cell reactions cannot be reversed by applying external electric source. So the cells in which cell reactions cannot be reversed by applying external electric source, such type of cells are called primary cells. That means they become dead after use. They become dead after use. It means they cannot be charged again. So they cannot be charged again. Such type of cells in which cell reactions cannot be reversed by applying external electric source and become dead after use, and it means that they cannot be charged again. So such type of cells are called primary cells. So they are not chargeable. So in case of primary cells, the most common example is dry cell. Now dear students, let's have a look over the dry cell. So the most common example of primary cell is, that is dry cell. It is the compact form of Leclanché cell. Dry cell, it is the compact form of Leclanché cell. It is the cell which is used in torches, flashlights and radios, calculators. It is used in torches, in flashlights, in radio, in calculators, etc. As far as the term dry is concerned, it's a misleading term because moisture is important for the cells to operate. So it's a misleading term as we Muslims, for we Muslims, Muslim term is misleading as Muslim is the term, the person who submits his will to Almighty Allah, but we are doing in contradiction to the commandments of Almighty Allah. It means as the term Muslim is misleading for we people, same is the case in case of dry cell. This dry word, it is misleading term for dry cell, but it has derived its name from the fact that the cell is sealed under pitch. It is sealed with pitch, and that prevents loss of moisture. So this term dry, it's a misleading, but has attained its name due to the fact that it prevents the it is sealed with the pitch seal, which prevents the loss of moisture. So as far as the construction of dry cell is concerned, so I think let's go through the construction of dry cell. So as you know, it's an electrochemical cell. An electrochemical cell is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. So in case of electrochemical cells, we have anode, we have cathode, same as the case here, we have anode and we have cathode and we have electrolyte. So let's try to go through the construction of this dry cell. This dry cell, it consists of a container. This is a container. It is zinc container acting as anode. So in case of dry cell, we have a zinc container acting as anode, and at the middle we have a graphite rod acting as cathode. So this is graphite rod acting as cathode. So this graphite rod, it is surrounded by powdered MnO2 along with, it is surrounded by powdered MnO2 along with carbon. So this is powdered MnO2 plus carbon. Now we have anode and we have cathode, which is the graphite rod. In between the anode and cathode, we have a white paste of ammonium chloride plus a little bit of zinc chloride acting as electrolyte. So this is paste of ammonium chloride. So this is paste of ammonium chloride. I will show it likewise. So this is paste of ammonium chloride. So this paste of ammonium chloride with a little bit of zinc electrolyte acting as anode. So in construction, we have anode, which is zinc container acting as anode, and we have graphite rod that acts as cathode. We have graphite rod. So here cathode is graphite rod, and ammonium chloride with a little bit of zinc chloride act as electrolyte. So in case of dry cell, we have anode, that is zinc container acting as anode, and we have cathode, that is graphite rod acting as cathode. And you might be knowing that cathode is the site where reduction takes place. Itself, it does not undergo any reduction. I will clear this point by an example. As we are from the village community, so our mothers and sisters, what they used to do, they used to take straw and grass, cow dung, and they put this, they carry this into the field, and they burn this material in the field. So it is the material which burns, and the field act as a site for burning. So same is the case here. It is cathode which acts as a site where the reduction takes place.